Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take high resolution photos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you are wondering which options allow you to take the highest resolution photos possible, then let me quickly show you. We're gonna open the camera, and now in the camera what we need to do in order to take the highest resolution, to make sure that the resolution is the highest, is to switch the megapixels. So over here at the top, it might say 12M, so if you tap over here, then you have three choices in total: 12, 50 and 200 megapixels. So of course we want to use 200 megapixels. The next thing that you should take care of, or make sure that is selected, is the 3:4 aspect ratio. I'm gonna actually perform a small test. I'm gonna take a picture, I'm gonna take a photo with all of these resolutions, all of these aspect ratio, to check the resolution, which one is actually the biggest. So we're gonna take a photo in 3:4, 9:16, and then we have 1:1, and finally the full aspect ratio. So if I remember correctly, the biggest resolution should be, the highest resolution should be in 3.4. So we're gonna now check the information of the photo. So this one is the full resolution, and there we have the size, the resolution of the photo, and it's not using 200 megapixels, it's actually using 123. So let's swipe to the next one. I think this one was 1:1. It's using 150 megapixels. Oh, we can swipe just like that. So then we have, I think this one was 9:16. So it's also using 150 megapixels, but it is a little bit smaller. Well, not really. In terms of width it is smaller, but in terms of height it is bigger. And finally we have 3:4. As you can see, we are using 200 megapixels in 3:4 aspect ratio, and the resolution is actually the biggest. Even if you prefer to use the Pro mode, then in this case you will not get the highest resolution possible, as over here we have only 50 megapixels lenses available. And if you take the photo and open the information, you will see that the resolution is actually not the highest compared to the 3:4 200 megapixel in the normal photo mode. So make sure that you have 200 megapixels, 3:4 aspect ratio, and you are good to go. And of course the photo mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!